Hey everyone, this is the fingerling and LOL ball from Miss Sue Hartley. 30 at 2 and 3 for 5. Copy the list. Go live. 924. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher. 924. We have an 11. 924. 30 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the 10th time, we still have 30 items on the list. Miss Beth Kane is on the top. Miss Leanne Fortenberry is on the bottom. Randomized 10 times. The dice call for an 11. 925, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 15, Miss Jo Dickens is the winner. Congrats, Miss Jo. 30 items on the list. 11 times. The dice call for an 11. Your verified code. And we are done at 9:25. Thanks, everyone.